Worried about switching phone numbers and messing up your Wati WhatsApp connection? Fear not, this guide will walk you through changing your number in Wati, so your customer communication stays smooth and uninterrupted. First, log into your Wati account. Once you're in, look for the settings or profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled Profile or Business Profile. This section contains all your account information, including your registered phone number. Locate the phone number field. You should see an Edit or Change button next to it. Click on that button. A pop-up window or a new page will appear, prompting you to enter your new phone number. Carefully enter your new phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. Wati will then send a verification code to your new number via SMS. Check your phone for the message. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the provided field on the Wati platform. This confirms that you have access to the new number and that it's valid. After successfully entering the verification code, Wati will update your account with the new phone number. You should see a confirmation message or the updated number displayed in your profile, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Wati phone number.